Hello friends, still on mathematics. I'll be looking at this question. The question is actually extracted from Joint Admission and Matriculation Board Exam, year 2000. It says, evaluate 5 raised to the power of minus 3 log 5 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 exponent 2 log 2 raised to the power of 3. I'm going to write solution. So for me to evaluate this expression, this logarithm, I'm going to look at the first expression first before looking at the second one. So looking at the first one, I'll bring down this expression 5 exponent 3 log 5 exponent 2. So I'm going to consider this exponent. The exponent is minus log 5 raised to the power of 2. I'm going to replace this value with a letter x. That's the variable x. Now I'm doing that, I'll have let x equal to minus 3 log 5 raised to the power of 2. Now I'm going to solve, meaning that the whole of this expression will be 5 exponent x. So I have to look for the value of x. To look for the value of x, I will apply power law of logarithm here. That will be x log 5 raised to the power of 2, then raised to the power of minus 3, because minus 3 has to go up to become the power of 2. That is the power law of logarithm. Then the inverse of it is bringing minus 3 down to multiply log. So it can go this way. Okay. Now, so for me to eliminate this 5, log 5, so I have to multiply x by log 5, 5, log of its own base. I'm introducing log 5, 5 because this is log 5, is in base 5. Log 5, 5 is 1, 1 times x is x. I'm introducing log 5, 5 in order to cancel out, to eliminate this log 5. That is the reason. So this will be log x log 5, 5, because log 5, 5 is 1. 1 times x will still give me back x equal to log 5. I'm using log 5, 5 because this log is in base 5. So, okay. So now, log 5, 2 raised to the power of minus 3. Now, I'm gonna apply power law as well here. So this becomes log 5 raised to the power of 5 exponent x, because x has to move up to become the power of this exponent, equal to log 5 2 exponent minus 3. So in this case, I can now eliminate log 5 will cancel out log 5. So I will have 5 exponent x is equal to 2 exponent minus 3. 2 exponent minus 3. And 2 exponent minus 3 in indices is the same thing as, I'm going to remove this minus sign. This will be 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. Once you remove minus sign, introduce 1 over the number. So this is 5 exponent x is equals to 1 over 2 exponent 3 is the same thing as 2 times 1 over 2 times 2 times 2 into 3. That will give me 8. So meaning that 5 exponent x is the same thing as 1 over 8. Remember, the whole of the first expression, when we replace minus 3 log 5 exponent 2 with x, is 5 exponent x. So, and we got 5 exponent x as 1 over 8, meaning the whole of this becomes 1 over 8. So I'll do the same here. Bringing out this is 2 exponent 2 log 2 exponent 3. So I might just consider the exponent as well, just like I did here. Okay, now bring it out. Maybe I can now say let's y, I'm going to use y now, equal to 2 log 2 exponent 3. So, and meaning if y is being replaced with, if 2 log 2 exponent 3 is being replaced with y, it means the whole of the expression becomes 2 exponent y. So I'll solve for y to get the value of y. Okay, now to get the value of y, I'm going to solve this way, just like I did here. Y is equal to, applying power law here, 2 we have to go up here to become log 2 exponent 3 exponent 2. Now this is the same thing as, so remember what I did here, I'm going to introduce log 2 here because I have to find a way to eliminate this log 2. For me to do that, I'm going to take log 2 of this side of y, log 2 rather, because it has to be log of its own base in order to, because log of its own base is always 1. 1 multiply y will give you y. So I will do it this way, y log 2. I'm using 2 because this log is in base 2. Log 2 is 1. So 1 times y is y. Just like log 5 here is 1. Okay, it's the same. So once you look at the log on the opposite side, then you're going to use that same number to make log of its own base in order to, eliminate the original log. So this is log 2, 3, 2. So now applying power law here, that will be log 2, then y will go up. Okay, meaning here y will go up to this place to become this is equal to log 2, 3, 2. You can see this log can now cancel out this log. Okay, that is the goal. Now I'll have 2 exponent y is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2. 3 raised to the power of 2, we know in mathematics and indices, is 3 multiply itself into 2, which is 9. Okay, I now have log 2y, 2 raised exponent y as 9. Remember the first expression, the whole of it, we got it as 2 exponent y because the exponent here, 2 log 2 exponent 3, is being replaced with y. So since we have 2 exponent y as 9, so it means that the first expression, therefore, the first one, we got 5 exponent x, 5 exponent x multiplied by, the second one is 2 exponent y, multiplied by 2 exponent y. This will give us what? 5 exponent x is 1 over 8, multiplied by 2 exponent y is 9. That will give me 1 over 8 times 9. That is 9 over 8. 9 over 8 is what? One whole number. 1 over 8. This is the answer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.